guys, we're going to go ahead and do our math lesson for today. We will first do our daily count of how many days we've been in school, and then we're going to move into our math book. Okay, so on Friday we'd been in school for, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. And Mrs. Worth already slid another block up here. We had 9, and now we have 10. So I'm going to go ahead and write the number 10 up here. Now something really important happens when we get to 10. When we have 10 ones, we can scoop all 10 of those up and put them together to make one of these 10 bars. The 10 bars must be in a different room of our number house. This is our ones room, and this is our tens room. So if I move one of these 10 bars up, I have to take out the ones that are over here. Otherwise, we'll have way too many. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones or one 10 bar to show that we've been in school for 10 days. Grab your number chart and let's go ahead and count. Put your finger on the number as we say the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and go grab this big book that was sent home. Lesson 1.1 is the very first lesson, and it is already stapled for you. Grab that lesson and come on back. Okay, the first page of that lesson looks like this. And it says, how do pictures show adding? And we've already been practicing this in first grade. They'd like us to go ahead and on this big leaf draw 3 ladybugs. So I'm going to draw circles to represent or to stand for each ladybug. 1, 2, 3. Now it says that 2 more ladybugs join them. So I'm going to draw 2 more ladybugs. 1, 2. How many ladybugs are there now? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ladybugs. We were talking on Friday about how we could turn things like this into a math sentence. Our math sentence would be 3 plus 2 equals 5. Our picture here shows that because we started with 3, we drew 2 more, and now we have 5. Go ahead and flip to the next page. That would be the back. At the top of the back of that page, it tells us to model and draw these problems. So we have these 2 cute cats, and then we have 1 more cat. So that means that we have 1, 2, 3 cats in all. Write how many. There are 3 fish. 1, 2, 3. And 1 more fish. How many fish are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. I would like for you to go ahead and write that with me as a math sentence. So it would be 3 plus 1 equals 4. And this is really important. Did anybody notice where I wrote the plus sign? right over the word and. When we're doing math, anytime we hear the word and, that is a big clue that we need to add. So say that with me. And means add. And means add. Anytime we see the word and, that means add. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 B's. We're going to write 4 here. Here's the word and, so we add, I'm going to put my plus sign. Oops. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Go ahead and flip to the next page. That looks like this. At the very top, this says on your own. You are going to complete this page on your own. You're going to do just like we did. You'll write the math sentence here and your answer here. Does anybody remember what we call the answer to an addition problem? The sum. You will write the sum here. You'll do the same thing for this problem. The last problem is a hot problem, and you are going to try this even though it's a challenge problem. It says draw one way to show 9 worms. I can't wait to see you try that hot problem. If you get it wrong, that's okay. I just like that you tried. Go ahead and peek at the back of this page. You will also be completing the back on your own. They'd like you to color this hot problem to solve this word problem at the bottom. It's another hot problem. I don't care if you have it wrong. I just care that you tried. And lastly, this problem at the bottom, where you will fill in one of these bubbles to tell me what your answer is to this problem. When you're finished, you will take pictures of both sides of this page that you did on your own and submit them in Seesaw. When you go back into Seesaw, you'll do that by clicking on the camera on the screen. I will try and send another video that will show you how to do that in case you're unsure. All right, have fun with your math.